Hello, food lovers. This is your friend Naveen. Just I would like to explain you about how to cook the fusilli pasta just in 15 minutes. It's the packet which I have purchased in the local supermarket, that is fusilli pasta, which I am showing in the
Fuse the
which I am
fat
showing. So
into
just
the
I have
bowl.
dumped all these pasta into
like this.
one silver bowl as shown in the figure. And now I'm heating up the pasta with the water. So just you put the water for 9 minutes and soak it into it. Now cut the tomatoes into pieces and put it in a bowl. Just cut any into irregular pieces, and one tomato and one onion will be sufficient for 5 people to have the pasta.
నువ్వు 4 ముక్కలు కట్ చేసి దాంట్లో
Now place all the onions and tomatoes in the mixie jar as shown in the image. Put the jar tightly and put it on the mixer and grind it for a smooth paste. And see how the paste is looking like. And keep the jar aside.
gently
Now,
grind your pasta like this.
now by this time all your pasta has been soaked in the hot water very finely, and now drain all these things in the drainer as shown in the image. Completely drain out all the water. Now put a separate lid on the stove and lid the stove and put some 2 spoons of oil. Yeah, just 2 spoons, not more than that. Yeah. Now heat it and put all the tomato puree into this vessel, and now heat this thing into very slowly for again 7 to 8 minutes. Now put spices as per your turn. Say for example, if I am in the southern part, I'll put some slight chili powder and turmeric and just simple salt. No garam masala, nothing. So your kids and from age of kids to everyone, including your parents, will have this thing, and you'll not have any burning sensation also in the stomach, such that you'll have a yummy pasta. Now stir it and now put some more water content so that you can mix all this solution into the pasta. Yeah, now the hot bubbles you are able to see it till that time, maybe less than 5 minutes, you will be able to see, and which is visible whenever that bubble comes. Just stop doing that, and now see the squeeze the pasta, it will be very smooth. And now put some chopped coriander into it, and then again place the pasta into it, and now swirl with the steel spoon, and almost it is everything now ready to cook. And if you want, you can put some more coriander, so you can garnish this coriander, and which will be helpful for your digestion, and you're not having any gastritis issues when you put all these coriander and all. So now your yummy and smoky pasta is ready, and now I have placed in the plates, and just I have served with the tomato sauce. Enjoy, foodies.